Wiring and wiring harnesses is a necessity today. Many of the transmissions and the components that we put around them in building our modern day hot rods is the speed sensors and the reverse lockouts, as well as the backup lights. More importantly, we're dealing with a lot more of the speed components, whether it's analog or digital sensors. Wiring is a big part of that. In front of me here today is various samplings of all the little pigtails that we offer, where you can plug into your sensors and all the other harnessing on these transmissions. One of the T56 and Board Warner and also the TR6060 requires a lockout function so that we can do that electronically. So what we do is we monitor the speed sensor, feed it into a device like this, and then the reverse solenoid is open and closed so that the reverse is not open so that we don't mistakenly go into reverse at speed. Some of the harnesses that we offer also are extensions. So if you're going from, let's say, one type of transmission like a 3650 to a Magnum, sometimes the sensors are on the opposing side of the transmission, so a simple little extension harness. Some of the harnesses that we offer are OE. In other words, these are replicas of the original harnesses made to the same specifications. This one here in front of me happens to be a Fox body one, but this will plug into the original body harness, so you're not searching and having to modify, or maybe perhaps your harness is already used up after 30 or 40 years and it's time for a new one. So Modern Driveline has you covered there. One of the other parts that we offer is a bowler all-in-one. Now this is a great product, and this can allow you to connect onto the T56 and a Magnum and TR6060. The nice thing about this product is that it can tie into the various sensors all loomed together, and then you can talk to it via Bluetooth, and that's, makes it the installation real easy. So whether you're putting a Magnum XL into your late model Mustang and you're needing to get the conversion done from your MT82 to your Magnum XL, or any other scenarios that involve the 6-speed, these transmissions have more sensors on them than some. This harness will allow you to plug in, simple installation, clean, tie it into the original harness, and you're done. If there's a connector or harness that you're needing, feel free to look at our website, and we'll be glad to help you with any questions you may have.